Okay, Sophia, I want to show you here. Hear the sound? I don't know if you're talking about that sound. I'm here with your light. So that sound is coming from inside your light. There's a motor. See, there's a plug. There's a motor to adjust your lights. There's a motor to adjust your lights. So that is staying on that motor. It's trying to adjust your lights. So that can pull also extra current and things like that. Can affect your starting, your power. I'm going to check your alternator also and all that, if it's charging properly. But I just want you to know, I don't know if this is the noise you're talking about. When you put the key on, you hear the sound. I think you're talking about this. Because like for me, the starter's not bad enough to condemn, but this is a sound I know. You said before you start, so when the ignition is on, you hear that? The side is not doing it. So to fix that, you need a whole headlight. The headlight motor is faulty. So yeah, that's unfortunate. It's very expensive and unnecessary unless you want to do it, you know.